Welcome to the third episode of the Room Makeover Series presented by Square One. In this series, we style and renovate a room in just 48 hours. The painters are not done yet, and the furniture is all arrived. What's going on here? Do you know? This isn't gonna work. It's not what we thought we ordered.
I can't believe that happened.
The makeover and an entire year of home insurance is completely paid for by Square One. I'm Lisa from Grapevine Designs, and today we're in beautiful Surrey, BC. Let's go inside and meet our nominee, Gabrielle.
Hi, I'm Gabrielle. I'm from Surrey, BC, and I'm a project manager for a software development company. This is my first completely independent place. There's so much to love about the space. I think it's pretty empty right now, so I really don't know how I guess I really don't know how to use the space. I have lived in some of the shackiest shacks, and so I'm just grateful that there's a roof over my head. I think in total, I've moved probably 20 times, just off the top of my head. My mom genuinely never paid rent. I think she paid the first month and the damage deposit, and then was like, see you later. So we were evicted probably every 5 months in my childhood. I think it's also been the scare that I'll have to pick up and leave again. And my mom had some troubles with alcohol and narcotics abuse. So my childhood was mainly focused on helping her through that whole journey in her life. She really struggled, and so she really started disappearing a lot more, going out, leaving for weeks at a time. And so I would say that's when I was really doing most of the legwork, the housework, making sure my brothers were fed, taken care of, they went to school. I've kind of just been left with very scarce amount of things. I've had one thing since I was 2, which is a dresser right behind there, which is a little bit embarrassing. Up until probably this past year, I just cater to everybody. I give 110% of myself to everybody and 0 to myself. So it's nice to see that it's been recognized and I've been nominated for something like this. It's really special.
I wouldn't say she's just starting out, but I feel like she's starting sort of fresh. And so to give her kind of a jump start and to be able to have pride in your home and be able to share that with people that are important to you is really important.
She's like, oh, what do you like? I was like, there's not a whole lot you can base my style off of. I have a dog, love it, but she does cause a lot of mess. Can you see her? Is that better? Right now you can see her head. And so something that's functional is really important to me, and she was like, okay, great.
We started out with the artwork. They're vertical pieces, 2 side by side, which typically I might have put a big piece sort of horizontally over the sofa, but I think this is just going to accentuate the tall ceilings. But I'm also excited about the overall palette. It's classy, but it has a touch of bohemian or West Coast sort of casual.
I've given a very vague idea of what I like because I don't truly even know what I like. I think Lisa also picked up on that. She was like, I'm just going to do this, and it's gonna be great, and I'm so thankful for that. I'm a super flowy type of individual. I love a lot of greenery.
We do have some green accents, a small amount, but as she's changing and different people are coming into her life, she's likely going to adjust kind of what she likes, and so we've really kept the main pieces really neutral and just added in different accent pieces that she can change out over time if she chooses to.
I could have people over. This is amazing. I literally have had 0 people in my house because I'm I have nothing. It's made me super self-conscious. Oh my God, I'm gonna jump on my couch.
Well, that is yet to be seen. Riding up the elevator this morning, I was having a look at the size of the elevator and very concerned that it's actually gonna fit in that elevator. I've lost some sleep over that.
So all the trauma that I've been through in life has finally paid off. This is gonna be great.
Hi, I'm Dave. I'm here from Van West, and I'm here to hang a TV today and help the painters and generally coordinate this project. If I do anything wrong, I'm going to swear a lot, and then you'll have to edit it out.
Is this the right one?
Yes, I had it locked, Lawrence. I am mic'd up.
Are you?
Yes,
Good.
I should get extra for that. The TV mount?
Yes.
Where would you like that? Obviously above the fireplace, but
Yeah, just cover the plugs.
cover the plugs. I've got to get rid of this stuff.
Well, my friend was a painter, you know, so I want to help him. All of a sudden I became a painter, just like that. Probably 30 years. That's what I did from the time I came here, painting, nothing else. Like this height?
It'll have to be lower.
Got image, Dave?
Do.
Maybe it would have to be up to like
There it is.
there.
Okay, right there.
It's so heavy.
Like it'll hook on, but it just like it's not
balanced?
Yeah, it's like
Maybe he can do some little tie wire.
Okay,
There's a big ball, LED.
okay. Thank you.
Carry on.
Okay. No problem.
I think it's really heavy. I think it's got 14 light bulbs inside it. It's heavy. Really heavy. If I dropped it with all this glass, that would be a disaster.
I am just gonna help take this light down. It's very dusty. Think about having to take all that out and wash it. That's a job and a half.
A weekend project. So let's have a fit weight.
Yeah, it's a lot lighter now. Hold it now.
Yes, thank you. Lovely.
This is not typically the my job, but never mind.
Okay, almost there. Okay, I got it.
All right.
Thank you very much.
No problem. I'm so glad I didn't get electrocuted.
We're a bit lower.
Oh,
Shall I
yeah.
turn it on, see if it works?
Yeah.
Stand back.
Oh. This one certainly has a lot less crystal, hey?
Yeah.
Okay, so the movers have the sofa in two pieces. They have the credenza box and we need to assemble it. The kitchen table is boxed and we need to assemble that. Kitchen chairs, the coffee table, accent chair, and the artwork. And then we've got 5 toss cushions, 2 throws for the blanket ladder, 3 table books, 1 mirror, 2 plant vessels, 2 candles, the light fixture, and a little piece of artwork, and then the olive tree.
So I'm a little concerned about if the furniture will fit in the elevator.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Everything's fine.
Is this the long one or the short one?
That's a long one.
Amazing!
Oh, so prepared. Oh, I'm so glad it fit. What? This is blonde. We ordered this in a light blonde wood. It's written right there. And we just got a darker finish. So I think it will still work because there's just some variety in the grain, but it's just not what we thought we ordered.
Usually, back in the days, they used to put some ingredients inside the paint, oil stuff. Now they took everything out, it's more ecologic, and they don't come very easy. They make our life a little bit difficult, but it's better for the owners. That's why maybe we need 3 coats today.
The painters are not done yet, and the furniture has all arrived because they had to get more paint. I guess it didn't cover as well as they had hoped, so we're a little behind.
When you say the owners have to do 4 coats, maybe 5, they think they want to cheat or to steal their money, you know? And they say, no.
This is, they call it white dog, or dog white, or white dog, one of the two. Every year they have like a different white, every 1-2 years, you know, the decorators. They give us a different one. All of them white, but you know.
Cloud white.
Cloud white, yeah, cloud white was decorators, what is simply white?
I love Chantilly white. Yeah,
It's a little gray, so it's better for us and looks white.
Okay. So can you see over there? No, nothing on the bottom. No, that's it.
Okay, well, it's definitely not level.
Finally. 3 coats. In 1 day.
We're all done for the day. As you can see, we've got a completely different color on the wall. I think it's a lot fresher. We have furniture delivered here, and designers are here tomorrow to make this place look beautiful.
In the beginning, I thought maybe we don't finish it today, but everything worked okay. Oh yeah, tomorrow, yeah, the final. You have to stay for the final. Okay, so you have all the furniture set up, everything, the pictures, the mirrors, nice and clean. That is good, good surprise. Good guys.
$127. That's what he's giving me, right? So if I put end caps on it and just go wall to wall, perfect.
Holy Lisa. Oh my gosh. So what's going on here? Do you know? She wasn't using them before, so this isn't gonna work on this side.
I'm out of practice, and one of the doors isn't backwards, so there's 2 hinges for 1 door, and there's 1 hinge for 2 doors.
Oh shoot. I wonder if this will even fit through the door now. Do you want to help me and see if it'll get through this door? Okay. Okay, well, you go first. Okay, now go that way. Oh no, you can't. No. Okay. Oh, brother. Next time, somebody else builds the furniture. Let's see if we can get this through. No, not that way. Okay, I'm gonna give myself a bit of a break.
So this is light blonde. Not this. But it's fine. Everything's fine. Genuinely don't hate doing stuff like this. I think I haven't done it in so long.
Oh, wow. The height of the art is the same, but where you hang the thing is different. Well, we've finished everything. We're just waiting for Gabrielle to return.
All right. Oh goodness, I'm shaking. Hi.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Good.
Oh, good Lord. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. It looks so fresh in here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm gonna cry. So beautiful.
No, I'm gonna cry.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, you guys did more than I could even imagine you doing.
You know?
Oh, it's so clean. Oh, the couch is so awesome. Oh my God. Can I sit on it? Oh, this is amazing. I saw Lisa and Alyssa's work, but I definitely didn't think it could translate into this. This is everything I could have asked for and more. The quality of the items that they put in here is phenomenal. It's all super functional. The colors really go well together. Given any amount of money, I would have been like, this is all just hodgepodge. I love that she included stone and wood and like different kinds of greens. She wasn't hesitant to mix different types of woods and tones. This couch is amazing. I'm so happy.
There's nothing that screams in this room. It's all really quiet and calming and relaxing. But I think it has an element of class too. And she can be proud of bringing her friends here and entertaining here.
Honestly, like having people like actually here would be amazing. I've had to give a lot up. I've had to leave things behind and I've had things taken, which was out of my control. And my households have been so broken that I've never had a space that was like completely done up and like you don't have to touch it. Also, it's mine, which is shocking. I might need some time to like actually realize that. This is mine.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the third episode of the Room Makeover Series. If you want to nominate someone for the next episode, go to squareone.ca/makeover or click the link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Oh, looks like we're gonna need to find some tiles. Okay. Wow, he's not gonna even get close.